Hi guys, it's Jasmine here and welcome to my TikTok Cash Boot review. As you know, TikTok is a huge platform that a lot of people is making a lot of money doing this. So today I bring you a new software that is called TikTok Cash Boot that is gonna help you how to grow and monetize your TikTok. You will be making money every time then you upload a video and it's done for you, ready to use. And you don't have to show up you yourself in camera if you feel uncomfortable doing this. So this system is incredible for that if you're shy to show up in camera, and you will be monetizing your TikTok. So if this sounds something that you might be interested in, stick with me till the whole video. I have access to the members area to show you guys how this software looks inside, and I have some awesome bonuses to give to you today. What is this TikTok Cash Boot all about? As I told you before, it's 100% brand new TikTok system that you're using to receive $25 to $50 every time that they upload a video on TikTok. This also came with monetization technology, the mobile edition, and the step-by-step training videos that is going to help you to set up all this thing to the A to Z. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is my bonus page. When you click the link that is down below the description, that is gonna send you to my bonus page that looks something like this. Just scroll down a little bit and you will find some of the bonuses, and you will get today completely free of charge if you decide to get this offer through the link that is down below the description. The first one is a guide that is going to help you to self-publishing master guide. And using this TikTok system, you can avoid to put your face on camera if you feel uncomfortable doing this. But as you know, the people that are making real good money is the people that show his face in camera. And with this bonus, that is gonna help you how to do that, how you can show yourself and brand yourself and start making real and good money in social medias. The bonus number 2, it's teaching you how to monetize your Facebook. If you're gonna monetize your TikTok, why not monetize all your social medias? So with this is gonna help you to make, this is a case study that is gonna teach you how to make $2,000 in just 20 minutes using Facebook groups. So you will be learning all of this with this bonus number 2. And bonus number 3, it's how to explode your YouTube channel. If you already have one, of you doesn't, open your mind and start making YouTube videos and start making good money in this. And this one is going to teach you all the tips, tricks, and hacks that we are using to explode our channel and monetize them. The bonus number 4, it's access to the 10K a month case study. With this bonus, you can literally duplicate what these people is doing in this and make your own 10K a month with your computer, laptop, even with your smartphone. The bonus number 5 is the vendors bonuses, access to all vendors bonuses only if you take action today. Only just make sure to click before this countdown timer hits 0. Once that happens, all these bonuses are going to be expired. Clicking the link that is down below the description, then click any of this yellow button and get a copy of this TikTok Cash Boot system, and all the bonuses are going to be sending to you automatically. Let's take a look into the sales page of TikTok Cash Boot. Export $25 billion TikTok algorithm that pay us $25.50 over and over again. Then you uploading a video, a done for you viral videos on TikTok. 200 $213,356.909. Paid on TikTok Cashbook, brand new app. Just upload, don't forget videos, all set. Anyone can do this with zero experience. Tag into $75 billion TikTok algorithm. Zero risks, 365 money days back guarantee. 1 whole year to take advantage of this software. If this doesn't work as they say, they're gonna give you your money back with no question asked. Please guys, take a look of this sales page. Later you will find here some proof of income. As you see, in 1 day they make $25, 2 days 76, 3 days $100.1, 4 days $150, day 5 $244, and in 30 days $14,000. A lot of people are making a bunch of money in this. In this sales page you will find some examples of this. This 17 years old is making $17.5 million. This 25 years old, $8.5 million. 20 years old, $5 million. And 20 years old, $10 million. Only by using TikTok. So why you don't take advantage of this? And most with this amazing system that is giving all the viral videos done for you, ready to use. And take a look of this sales page later. It's a little long. I'm gonna show you how the members area looks. This is a members area of TikTok Cashbook. This is the dashboard. As this is a demo, I'm only uploading 4 campaigns, 51 videos, and 100 videos are coming soon. You have some quick links right here, and in this main menu you will find more details. As you see, you can name your campaign. You can put right here the niche, the date that was created, and edit one of these. Doing this, you only have to connect your existing TikTok account. If you don't have one, just create one and connect with the system and start a new campaign. Right here I have 4 already. If I click here where it say view campaigns, then it's gonna show up a lot of videos, thousands of viral videos that you can use and upload into your account literally and start getting money of this. You see, it's a bunch of videos, and go back and you can have literally more and more than that. And right here we said users setting. Is a quick video that is going to show you how to set up your TikTok account with this system. In affiliate settings, there's other video that is going to show you if you already have a ClickBank account, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. You can put your ID right here, and in every video that you upload, there's going to be including your affiliate link, and you will be getting 2 ways to make money. Right here in bonuses, and you will find several videos that Wesley Virgin, he's the creator of this app, and he's giving you some extra bonuses to make more money online. And upgrades, all the upgrades that I mentioned to you before, you have 7 upgrades, and clicking one by one, they are gonna explain to you in a video what is the advantage you will be getting if you upgrade one of that. Later I'm gonna give you the price of those upgrades. And marketing tools, You will find stock images that is already uploading for you, ready to use. Depends of the niche that you're using. Just select any of that and upload to your TikTok, and combine with videos, with music. You know, they're so creative and a lot of ways to make views and make money with that. You will find social media list, hashtag maker, old hashtag generator, hashtag charts, and sales page builder. You can do everything with that. I click right here where it says sales page, computer view, tablet view, and phone view. And you can put the tags, tabs, pillow tips, images, literally everything. This is super complete. Right here in campaigns, you can watch all your campaigns that you have or create a new one. Right here in guides, you will be getting 6 weeks training course and marketing guides. And right here in video tutorials, it's where you will find the video that is gonna guide you how to implement all this system in your TikTok and start monetize that. This is the affiliate link, campaigns, others, and a lot of more, and get help if you get stuck in all this process. Just click here and you will be getting help 24/7. Domains, if you want run campaigns and Facebook, Google, or all of that, just click right here in domains, and there's you will be downloading and copy this form and put it right there. And as you see, guys, it's very complete system that is literally done for you. You don't have to do any just buy it, install, and start getting money. And you will get access to all of this only for $19. $19, and you will be getting access to all of this system with all the videos, all the tutorial videos, and all the images, sales page, all to start making money of that. This is the price of the upgrades that I mentioned to you before. The upgrade number 1, the price is $197. It is the ultimate. Upgrade number 2, done for you, $297. Upgrade number 3, automatization, $47. Upgrade number 4, instant profit, $67. Traffic on top, $147. Franchise, upgrade number 6, $197. And multiply income, $47. Here are some other benefit key that you might be interested in getting this product. Is beginners friendly system, works anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are, China, India, Spain, US, you can start making money with this. Just a few clicks to activate. It's 100% legal to do. 0 experience required, no upsells required, and works on any device you want. And the most important thing for me is then you have money back guarantee for the whole year. So if this doesn't work as you think, they're gonna give you your whole money back by no question asked. And once again, guys, I remember you all the bonuses, and you will get today completely free of charge if you decide to get this software through the link that is down below the description. The bonus number 1 is a master guide how to self-publishing and brand yourself and start making money in doing this. And the bonus number 2, it's a case study how you can make $2,000 in just 20 minutes by using Facebook group. Bonus number 3, it's how to explode your YouTube channel. The bonus number 4, it's a case study how you can make 10K a month online. The bonus number 5 is access to all vendors' bonuses. And just click before this countdown timer hits 0. Once that happens, all my bonuses are gonna be expired. Please guys, don't miss out any of these free bonuses because they're gonna help you a lot, and all of this by making money through your social medias. Literally spend time behind a laptop, on a computer. And this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching my TikTok cash boot review. I'll see you at the next one. Bye bye.